In other business news, Sibanye Stillwater posted a strong first quarter performance with adjusted EBITDA up 89% year-on-year to 4.1 billion rand. Moreover, higher gold prices boosted South African gold earnings by 178%, while platinum group metal operations rose 74%, helped by restructuring. CEO Neil Fromin credits diversification for the gains, and Lizmela Mbanjwa shares more on the company's outlook.
So Sibanye reported their operating outcomes for the first quarter for the year ended 31 March 2025. Now, what immediately jumps to your face here is the strong growth in profitability. Adjusted EBITDA increased around 89% to around 4.1 billion, and that is really attributable to the restructuring efforts that the group undertook over the last say 2 years, 1 to 2 years across their South African gold and PGM operations, as well as the US PGM operations. Now, the South African gold obviously was probably the biggest standout performer, mostly due to the higher gold price environment. The group is also confident that with the gold price being at the levels it's currently at right now, that will continue to sort of contribute positively. But I was very impressed by the PGM operations, where there was good cost controls. AIC, all-in sustaining costs, only increased by 6%. If you add that to the benefits of a generally higher basket price, of around 5% higher basket price year on year, that resulted in adjusted EBITDA for the platinum operations increasing by 74% in South Africa. In the US, we're also seeing positive gains from the restructuring. The group reported an adjusted EBITDA loss that is much less than what we saw last year. So, I think overall what we're seeing is the group is moving in the right direction. We are starting to see the benefits and the gains from those widespread restructurings.